Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to add, hide, delete, show, edit comments in MS Excel. So let's start. I have already prepared one table. Now I want to add some comments against any cell. Let's say this cell is 2091. I have selected this. So what I will do, if I want to add a comment, I will right click and here I will find insert comment. I will click on this. Now you can see a comment box has appeared here. Now I want to write like Kolkata 2019 sales data. If I click outside, then you can see there is one red triangle on the top right corner of this cell. If you hover on this cell, you can see these comments, and if you go outside that to any other cell, you can't find that. Only if you go only to that cell, you can find this. Now if you want to show these comments all the time, then what you will do, you will right click again and click on this show comments. Now you can see these comments will be shown every time, whether you go any other cell or come to this cell, it will be shown every time. Now if you want to hide that, then you right click and hide comments, you can click on this. Now these comments is hidden. If you go any other cell, this will not be visible. If you come to this cell, hover on this cell, you can find these comments. Now now if you want to edit this comment, then again you go to that cell, right click, and here you will find edit comments. Now you can update that. You can update edit like east region. I'm adding this, then click outside. Now this, you can find this updated version of the comment when you hover on this cell. Now if you want to delete this comment, then again go to that cell, select that, right click, you will find delete comment option, just select on that, and now you can see that particular comment is deleted. So this is how you can add, update, delete, show, hide comments in MS Excel. So that's it. Thank you.